write next property called height of the table. Next property, width of the table. Next property, bg color, background of the table. Next property, v align, vertical align. V align. What is that? Vertical align will be top, will be called middle, and will be called the bottom. 3. V align. Okay. Next we need to write the second structure of table. We will hide with bg color and all we are going to use. The second structure also you can write. Second table structure. Second table structure. Second table structure. The second table structure is table will start and table will have one called T head. Next will be called T body. Next is called T foot. T head, T body, T foot. T head, T body, T foot. T head, what is that? It appears on top of table. Upper portion of table will be called as a T head. Footer. It appears on bottom of table. Bottom of table. That appear in the last. T body. It appear between T head and T body. T head and T foot. T head and T foot. T head and T foot. It appear between T head and T foot. Okay, hope written. Now come inside the T head. Under the T head, you have to use the TR, and under the TR, you have to use the TH. Again, under the T body, you have to use the TR. Then you have to use the TD. Under T foot, you have to use the TR, and you have to use the TH. This is for the second structure. Yeah, hope ready. Table, T head, T body, and T foot. T head, T body, and T foot. Right. Let's create a file, table5.html. In table5.html, we can implement this. Second structure of table, where we can use the T head, T body, T foot. Along with that, we can use height, width, busy color, realign, and many more. Table5.html, you will create under the HTML folder. Table5.html. HTML open close. Head open close. Oh, head is not needed as of now. Body open close. Table with T head, T foot, T head, T body, T foot. Example. T head, T body, T foot. Example. Okay. Next, after that, go ahead, write a table. Follow inside cell padding and 12 you can give. Cell spacing, if you want, you can give 0, no problem. 0. Border, you can give 1. Single line, border will appear everywhere. T head is required. Under the T head, TR will come. Inside that, TH will come. Serial number. Item name. Item price. Item quantity. Item details. Not TH. Action. Now for this tr, this much is over t head. So t head appear on the top of the table. Same t head you add, copy, paste. After that keep t foot, t foot, t foot, t head. tr will have bg color, t foot, tr bg color, pink color. This both for the tr also under the t head, add for the tr also under the t foot. So t head, t foot is ready. You can sequence, run the page. T head is on the top and t foot is the second. Border, if you want, you can remove it. It will look more clean. If you remove border, it will look more clean. Lining will not come in between. Something like this. Then for table, you can give width somewhere 80%. It will occupy the 80% of the screen. It will occupy 80% of screen. Ready. Cell padding, cell spacing, width how much? 80%. So look like this. Now after T foot, let's add T body. See, T body should be between both. It should be between both T head and T foot. But we are writing after T foot. Purposefully we are writing in the last so that once we run, we will get to know really it is coming in middle or not, where the output will come. T head in the beginning, T foot is second step, T body is in the last. When we run the page, where the T body will appear, will it take the place between both, or it will appear in the last where it will come? Okay, syntax wise it should be between both. First T head, then T body, then T foot, but we made here little changes just for understanding purpose. Yes, if you are writing where it is going to appear when the page will run. Now write a TR, follow the TD, serial number 01, item name apple red, item price rupees 300, per kg, quantity 5 kg, details it's imported, apple, imported apple. Then under the action block you can write one called edit, delete, edit and delete. Save now, see what is happening. Okay, hope ready. Check now. Save the file. Where the apple red apple appear is after footer or between header and footer? Between header and footer. When it run the page, it will appear in between. You are written in the last also no problem, but when you run the page, it will come in the middle. That is called T body. T body. Hope is work for everyone. Add one more TR. Add one more TR. Write TD 02. Next TD. Orange. Next TD. Rice. 100 rupees per kg. TD kg. Good for health. Add one more action. Edit. Delete. Save it. Okay, hope ready. Save the file. Something like this. So that TR you can copy paste 4-5 times, change the value so that table will look valuable. You can give align center, no problem. Align left, right, everything is as usual. On table level, we can give align left, right also, all is possible. Next, after that, go here, add one more user 3, potato, 30 rupees, 3 kg. Multi-purpose. Multi-purpose item. Okay, hope ready. Three items were added. So we can leave this page now. Keep the table align center. After that, page is ready. Align you can keep center. Then you will ask why we are using the T head, T body, T foot. What is the benefit of that? Also is the benefit. Let's complete all. 3, 2, 3, 4 you can add as per your wish. No problem. Table should look valuable, should have some more content. Okay, fine. This table is ready. Let's leave that. Now see what is the use of the T head, T body, and T foot. Everyone working or not? Say yes, no in the chat. The writing is not good. Writing is you need to download the notepad first. Yes. Notepad, how much you write? 10 line, 20 line. You can write in that question answer anything. Where in the notebook. Example dot write it then in the system. This one where in the now suppose 10, 20 lines are there. After some time 100 line will happen. How much will write? Correct. So let's keep a habit to directly fill in the inside the mind. Okay. How much will write in notebook? Will become lengthy process. Okay. Next after this, let me show you the T head, T body, T foot. What is the use of that? Further, after learning the jQuery, okay, after learning the jQuery or maybe That library based on jQuery only. In market, once you start working, you will work on the project where there will be a lot of data. Like suppose you are working on a project. Example, you are working on the Twitter project. You are working on the Facebook project. You are working on LinkedIn project. So in LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Flipkart, how many users? Lot of users. Now we are displaying here how many items? Suppose 3 items we are displaying. Maximum you can display 100 items. In the 100 item also page will be too long. If suppose there is a Flipkart having the 1 lakh product. So all 1 lakh you cannot display in one page. If 1 lakh product you will display at a time, page will become stuck. And the page length will become Mumbai to Hyderabad. Correct? So in that case, you cannot display like that. Okay, so there is a logic called pagination. There is a logic called pagination. Let me show you first pagination meaning is what. Okay, I search in the Google here saying like web designing course. Now related to web designing course, let's come here in the Google. How many records are coming? So many are there, and then in that only you can see in the last page number. Can you see that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, how much? 10. And along with that, if I look up, then I'll come to know it is saying here so many, some lakhs, something. This number, can you see? How many? It's a long number. It's not visible even for me. Some tool are installed in the system is hiding that. So it is showing some multiple lakh, multiple crore records are there. Okay. Now multiple lakh, multi-lakhs crores records are there. All the records you cannot display in one page. Yes. If you display in one page, what will happen? Page will become too slow, right? So for that, there is a logic called pagination. This you can see 1, 2, 3. It is called technical word is called pagination. We call it a pager also. We call it a pagination also. Okay. Pager, wherever the word will come pager, there it will have called next and previous. Pager means next and previous. Pagination means multiple. Next previous with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here what we have, if I go to the second page, one more link should appear. See here. If I go to the second page, one more appear called what? Previous. And one is called next. So sometime we'll see in the project next and previous. That's called pager. And we have called 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 previous and next. It's called a pagination. You can call pagination also both the places. No problem. Okay. Now we have used the data table. We have used here T head, T body, T foot. In future, what we are going to do, if you have lot of record, if you have multi-lakh record to display, how it will work. Okay. Let me show you one library. Okay. It's called data table. Famous in the market, all profile of people use Java people, .NET people, Python people, everyone use data, DA tables. Data, oh, I'm writing wrong only. Data tables.net. There is a website called datatables.net. Okay. This datatables.net will give you 1, 2, 3 line of code. That 2, 3 line of code, if you add inside your page, that 2, 3 line of code, if you add under this page, which page? The page we have created as of now. If you add inside this page, then what will happen? Now which code we need to add? Look at here. This is one line. This is the another line. This is one line and this is the another line. If we use this 2 line as well as if we add this third line, then after that our table also look like this. The table we have created, that will also look like this. In that you can see in the beginning there is a called searching option. We can search from here. You see search is happening. Immediately client said search is happening. Below you can see there is a pagination, right? And you can see on the top you have name, position, office, age. If you click on that, sorting will also happen. So the upper section, name, position, office, called a T head. Bottom section name, position, age, office called a T put, and in between what we have is called a T body. When we search here, it will search from the T body. It will not search from the T head and T put. It will search from the T body. And automatically, just once you use the T head, T body, T put, and add this 2-3 line of code, your table will look like this. There also you will get searching, pagination, and sorting. Okay, this is called data grid. This is called what? Data grid, where you can display a lot of records, as well as at a time it will not display all the data. It will display certain data. Yes, there can be this, all the data can load from the server one time, or there can be this data can load from the server in the pieces, like 100 record once, next 100 record next, that's the next method. Okay, but the T body, T head, T put will follow. Your page will also, your table will also convert like this. Once we learn JavaScript, I will guide you how to integrate with this library and how to make our table, this table, so that it should look like this. Where automatically searching, sorting, pagination, and this all will get applied automatically. Okay, it's called a library. Just we need to integrate, but for that term condition is your table must follow the T head, T body, and T put. Then only it will happen. Pagination, searching, sorting will apply, else it will not apply. Okay. Now come down. So we will leave this example table, row span, call span, T head, T body, T put, you got some idea. Now we will go for next. Like we will create multiple pages. There we will use hyperlink also, AHREF. There we will use table also. Table, hyperlink, we will combine together. We will create some 4-5 pages. There we will understand the asynchronous, not asynchronous, synchronous. How to link the pages using synchronous method. Okay, then I'll guide you synchronous and asynchronous. What is that word explain about? Okay, so come to your folder. In your folder, HTML folder is one. Let it be. Come out of the HTML folder and create one other folder. One more folder you create. Example one. Folder name is example one. So next, all the file will create under the example one. You can download Notepad++. No? Download and install it. Okay, example one folder is ready. So next, all the file will go to this folder. Which folder? Example one. Create a file. Next file, home.html. Under example one folder. Don't save here there, else it will say page not found. Next here you are saving under the example one folder. What's file name? Home.html. Okay, home.html file. Start from HTML. Follow the body tag. Create a table. Align in center. Cell padding. Give somewhere 15. Okay, now write a tr. Follow the td. Use a href. Give current file name. Right here call my home. First add one line. So written my home. Now add this line again. Right here call profile. My profile. Next call edu. My education. Next call exp. My experience. Next project. My project. Next call skills. Skill. My skill. Add this all the lines. Write it slowly. The file name, single double quote, close properly, greater than text. Everything should organize properly. Should not be here there. I will arrange it so that you can feel comfortable. E must close after the text. You should not close the A tag before the text. You should close the A tag after the text. Okay, then check this file, home file, how that look. Appear like this. Multiple links you have on the top. After this table, you can write one HR tag with the color equal to blue color. Size equal to 1. Very thin line, blue color line, or maybe other color, green color you can add. 1 pixel thin line will appear from beginning to last. Okay, something like this. Once you complete, let me know in the chat. We have to create this all the files: profile, edu, exp, project, skill, and all. Okay, so everyone have written, right? After that, leave color. Color will learn in CSS. How color will come and where it will come. Now the color is getting applied from the browser automatically. Why that is coming, you should not think on that. If you click on other link, that will also come in the same color. Create other pages. Once you create all the pages, all will come in blue only. Red. What is the color name by default now? Little something different. Once this all pages you will create, all will come in same color. Okay, so home page is ready. Now go here, write H1, keep align equal to center, right inside my dashboard. My dashboard. Now come inside. Save this file and we have to create remaining other pages. See what is the file name you have given in this current file. The home.html is the file name is okay. Along with that, you can see here other file name, profile, edu, exp, project, skill. So next, which file you are going to create? Maybe profile, edu, exp, project, and skill. Those file must be within the same folder. Which folder? Example one folder. Yes. Those file must be within the example one folder. The first, and the file name should not be here there. So whichever the file we have written, file name, this all are the single word. It's not the multi word. Okay. So single word file name. So while creating the file, don't use the space. If you have written lowercase here, create the file with the lowercase only, a small character, right? Save the project you have written, don't write projects. You have given the file name a skill, don't write a skills, right? So file name, whichever we have mentioned here, which file you are going to create, it must be the same. Suppose next we create called profile, correct? You should not create the file name my profile. Reason you are giving here profile, if you create my profile, it will not match, it will not work. It will say page not found. So create the next file, give the file name called profile.html. So this page is ready for all and it will say my dashboard. Now come there and copy this profile.html line, or maybe you create a new file, give the file name called profile.html. 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 See, when you join the classes, okay, maybe you join through the laptop, desktop, any device you join, no problem. But when you join the classes, while joining, it will ask the name, okay, name. When you join, the Zoom will ask enter your name. So you must have to enter those names that you are given to Info Campus. You must enter those names that you are given to Info Campus. Should not be Dell and HP or Lenovo or MI29. Okay, it should be name of the person. One person is logging by the name of Dell now. How to call him? Please reply your name in the chat. Whoever is logging by name of Dell, I message you call hi. Look into the chat and reply your name. What's your name? The person is logging by the name called Dell. I have messaged you hi. Look into your chat and reply your name. I will change from my side in Zoom. Snehal. You are logging two places, in laptop also and some other device also.
From mobile and laptop.
Okay, now I will guide you. When you log in through the mobile, you can write your name
Yes.
Snehal-mobile. When you log in through the laptop, write
Okay.
Snehal-laptop. So now suppose sometime I need to
Okay.
send the file. I will not send in the mobile. I will send to where? Laptop. Or maybe sometime I will say mine page is
Okay.
not working, help me. I need to see your screen. I will make you host. So I will make you host in the laptop, not in the mobile. Clear? So that will be helpful
Okay.
for everyone. Okay, so we are going to follow that as well. Let's go.
Excuse me, sir.
Tell me, sir.
Yeah, why my home link is different from other links?
Which one?
My home. It's
Create
not a
all the
links.
files. If you create all file color will be same. All the link color will be same. Now, how many pages are exist? Only one page, no?
Yes, yes.
Create remaining all pages and click on the links. All will look similar color.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, so hope profile is ready. Copy everything from the home and paste in profile. Copy everything from home and paste in profile. Okay. Now in profile page, you can change here my profile. In profile page, change the heading as a my profile. Right. Go ahead next. Run the page. Click on home and profile. See the link is working proper or not. Click on home and my profile. Check the link is working proper or not. Link is working. So I will go here and will click on my profile. Again, click on my home. Click on my profile. My home. Now see my profile and my home color is same or different. Color is same. Okay, so both the links are working proper. My home, my profile is working well. If this file is ready, link is happening properly, we need to go ahead, create the next file, edu.html. edu.html. Right? edu.html will be the copy of profile page. edu.html, you create a file, you can take the copy of profile page. My education. My education. Check now. Home profile and education 3-page should work. Home profile and edu 3-page should work. Home profile and edu 3-page should work. Right. Next, after that, we'll create next file exp.html. Create the next file exp.html. In the same folder, new file by the name called exp.html. Okay. Take the copy of edu file. You can take the copy of previous file edu. Right here, my experience, my work experience. My work experience. Now your 4 pages should work. Home profile edu exp. These 4 pages should work properly. Now 4 pages are working. My experience, my education, my profile, as well as my dashboard. Next files are pending. 2 more files is required. Project.html as well as skill.html. Let's create the next file. Next file, project.html. We can take the copy of previous file, maybe exp or maybe edu. Take the copy of any file. Right here, my projects. My projects. Okay, ready? Next, after that, save the file and check once. Project also should work. Experience, education, profile, and home. Home, profile, education, experience, and project. Now one more file is pending, that is called skill. Create the last file, skill.html. Skill.html. Hope you created the last file, skill.html. We can write here my technical skills. My technical skills. Now check all pages are loading or not. Where got connected, not pro. Don't go anywhere. Check now. All pages are loading. Skill, project, experience, education, profile, and many more. Okay, hope ready. Now we need to work on all the file from one side. Okay, so let's go to the technical skill. In technical skill page, you write a p tag. Inside the p tag, you will follow one bold tag. Under the bold, write layout design. Layout design colon, put a BR, so that what will happen? Line break will happen. In the first line, it will display in bold layout design. You will write HTML 4, HTML5. You will keep CSS 2, CSS3. You will write bootstrap. You will write font awesome icon. Font EWESOME, font awesome. This come under the layout design. Write the next paragraph. There again, bold. Client side. Scripting language. Put a BR. JavaScript. Next paragraph you keep. Library. Put a BR. jQuery. React.js. Next paragraph. Framework. Put a BR. Angular. 9, 10, 11. At this all, the skill page will look well organized. 4 paragraph with something proper content. I will show you once how that looks. It looks like this. Added. Go ahead. So skill page is not ready. Not working. Your system not working.
System no press.
Okay. Cable, keep correct now. Cable is stuck here. Here in table. Okay, so SQL file is ready. Now after that, see how many pages are there. Project page, experience page, education page, profile page, home page. Okay. So in these pages, suppose education page, you need to create a table where you need to display your education, 10th, which year you complete, from which college you complete, which school you complete, what was the marks percentage, what is the grade you have got. 12th, which year, which college, what is the grade. Okay. Graduation, which year, which college, which grade. PG, which year, which college, which grade. You can create a table, display your details here. In which file? Education file. In profile page, you can display your phone number, your email ID, about yourself, your highest education, which year pass out, what is the marks experience, marks percentage, in which page? Profile page. Okay. So these two pages your work. You can do that. Okay. Experience page, project page, I will guide you how to create. Education, you know about your education, which school, which year, what marks percentage, what is the grade. You can write here serial number, education name, college name, school name, passing year, marks percentage, and below add multiple TR. 10th from this college, this school, particular year, 12th display here. Where? In which page? Education page. In profile page, put your name here, put your phone number, put your email ID. In one paragraph, write about yourself. Below you write your address, write your education. Paragraph wise you can add. Okay. Right. So this look like possible, 2 pages. It is your homework. And apart from that, I will share you the next link for which one. Let me see the which assignment you should do. Yesterday all 6 pages are completed. Whoever has not completed, they should do that. They should do that. Next, in the same link, what link I have shared you? In that there is one more called set 2. Set 2 is there. In set 2 also there is a 6 photo. In set 2 there is a 6 photo. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5 6. Yeah. So under the set 2 there is a 6 photo in the same URL. What URL I have given you in the group. You will do now which set? Set number 2, assignment set 2. Okay. And apart from that, these 2 pages. Which one? Home and profile and education. So 6 page from the website LMS, that is assignment set 2, and 2 page from here. Total how many? 8 pages are there. So this 8 page you are going to do when and when? Tomorrow and day after. Tomorrow Saturday you have no class. Sunday also you have no class. Your next class is on Monday. So next what we will do in this 2 day? There is 8 pages homework. Let's complete that. And don't send the file in the group. Okay. Send what? A screenshot. Run the page in the browser. After running the page, take the photo and that photo post where? In the group.
Only output or
Only output, not the code. Like suppose I will go here 9:30. This is my page is running. Okay, see how I will post now. This is my page. So what I will do is I will run this page and this is my final output, right? This is my output. So I will go here through WhatsApp. I'll take the photo. Just post here. Right, this way. So it will be clearly visible. Yes, one photo is posted by you. Okay. You should not send the code, just send the photo. After looking into the photo, I'll reply you something if required. So that hope we are going to do 8 pages and then see you again on Monday.
So can you share file table 4 and table 5?
Which file?
Table 4 and table 5.
Table 4. Today we have not created any file table 4. Yesterday file you want.
No, sorry, it is with me. Table 5 only.
Yesterday file or today file? Yesterday file.
Today, sir.
Uh-huh. Today we don't have table 5. Today we have not created any table 5 or table 4.
So in starting there was network issue, so I couldn't attend.
We have not created table 4 and table 5. Today we have this all are the file of today.
Oh,
This file gone to your chat.
So we created table 5 today.
Table 5 we created today.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
With table head, table body, table foot. Instead.
This is here. I sent in the chat. You can check that. Okay. Video link will send you in the group tomorrow afternoon or evening. Tomorrow evening we'll upload all videos. We'll make a playlist. Tomorrow evening after 11 o'clock night you will get the link. Okay, then see you on Monday. You can log out.